Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Hope everyone are at good health. Happy driving, safe driving. Please take care of your health. Today we're talking about an important topic on cars. That is, you're buying in 2026, 2025 cars. So you'll get more discount. But people are scared, don't know how to find it's a 2025 model or 2026 model. You can directly ask the customer, dealer, whatever brand you're buying, that is it a 2025 stock or 2026. But still, you should know what year of manufacturing car you're buying. If you're buying a 2025, in 2026, you'll get good discount. But how do we decode? You need to ask the dealer before you pay the money, the VIN number. Vehicle identification number. VIN number is that. So you can decode. Simple, easy techniques are there. Every brand has their different way of VIN number decoding. For example, in Toyota, if it is 21, it is 2025. The numbers, the 21 number will be there, which will share 2021 or 2022. 22 is 26, 21 is 25. So the numbers of Toyota is like that. For Volkswagen, in the VIN number, if it is 5, it is 25. If it is 6, it's 2026. The fifth digit and the sixth digit is what I'm talking about. So this way, every manufacturer has a different code and where the year of manufacture is mentioned. So you should know that. And the easiest way is ask for Form 21. Once you pay the money, they will raise a Form 21. In that, month and year of manufacturing will be mentioned. So if it is mentioned 2025 manufacturing, month also will be mentioned and date, a month and year of manufacturing will be mentioned. So in the Form 21, you will have clarity of which year the manufacturing. So you don't have to worry or get panic. Make sure you check this before you pay the money to the dealer. So you will be safe that you are buying a 2025 model or 2026 model. If you are buying 2025 model and in 2026, you should get good discount. Whatever brand, whatever model you are buying, make sure you get good discount. This is how you can decode the VIN number. It will change from manufacturer to manufacturer, product to product. Happy driving, safe driving. If you find this video